In this tutorial, I will try to explain the techniques for duplicating things in Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW. First of all, we will use this duplicate command in CorelDRAW. First of all, insert a shape here and fill it with yellow color because I want to draw a sunflower. Now to activate the rotation handles, click once again on the center of this object and you will see that rotation handles has been appeared. Now move this rotation point to the bottom of this object because I want to rotate the this shape around this rotation point. Now for uh, 15-degree increment rotation, I have to press the control key of my keyboard and now click on this handle and drag your mouse and you will see that this uh, object is rotating in 15-degree increment. So this is 15-degree increment. Now before releasing control and mouse key, we have to uh, click the right key of our mouse also for duplicating this object. So at this point I will press control key and both keys of my mouse, and now I will release these three buttons at once and you will see that now this object has been duplicated. And now to repeat this command again and again, I have to press Ctrl R. By the help of Ctrl R, I have duplicated this thing again and again. In fact, I have repeated the last command applied. Now insert a circle to the center of this flower, fill it with black color, and you will see that we have successfully created a sunflower. So this is techniques for duplicating the things in CorelDRAW, duplicating and repeating the command. And we will see that how can we apply this command in Adobe Illustrator. In Adobe Illustrator, first of all, insert a shape from here. Now you can change the outline color and fill color from here. Pick a color from here and you will see that it is, in fact, we are at this point we are changing the color of outline color. You can see this is the outline color. So we have to click on this fill and now we can fill color in this shape. You can see that the fill color is being changed. So for changing the outline color, we have to click on this outline and now we can change the outline color. We have to change it to black. Now you can see that this is a shape which has filled yellow and the outline color is black. Now for rotation, select this shape. Now click on the rotation tool. This is rotate tool and click on the point for, around which you want to rotate this shape. I want to rotate this shape around this point, so I have to click here. Now press the Alt key of your keyboard and then click the mouse button on this point 2 times. In fact, you can see that now this dialog box has been opened and now we can change these values from here. Now you can see that 15 degree is already assigned. We can duplicate this item to 15-degree increment. So just click on copy. You can see that once this shape has been copied, and we can repeat this command by the help of Ctrl D. In CorelDRAW we were using Ctrl R and in Adobe Illustrator we are applying Ctrl D. Now we have to add a circle, in fact a black circle. Change the color of this circle to black, and now move this circle to the middle of this, and you can see that we have successfully created a sunflower in Adobe Illustrator. So these are the techniques for repeat command in CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more about Illustrator and CorelDRAW.